science enthusiast learners, welcome to our fun and exciting Science 6 class. I am your teacher for today, Teacher Mofi of Bacolod Central Elementary School, Bacolod District, Division of Lanao del Sur 2. Are you ready to learn some new things in the world of science? Awesome! Let's get started. Do you know the two types of mixtures? You were right. The two types of mixtures are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture.
Homogeneous mixture is a mixture that has a uniform composition throughout. It could be in a solid or liquid form. In this mixture, only one phase is seen or visible after mixing the different components of a mixture. If you want to drink a cup of coffee, what are the things you will need? Great! You will need a cup of hot water, sugar, and a coffee powder. If you will mix it all together, you cannot see the components of each substance. It mixed uniformly and form a one phase, and that makes it a homogeneous mixture. Other examples of a homogeneous mixture are vinegar, soy sauce, blood, soap, medicine, and a perfume. Science try! Put a smiley face if the mixture is homogeneous, sad face if it is not. Number 1. Alcohol. You were right. Number 2. Sugar with water. Great! Number 3. Seawater. Awesome! Number 4. Pizza. Wonderful! Number 5. Halo-halo. High five! Fruit salad is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. What are the ingredients of a fruit salad? A. Mango, pineapple, papaya, condensed milk. Or is it B. Mango, chili, onion, water? Or C. Orange, papaya, ampalaya, milk? Or is it letter D. Orange, mango, garlic, and condensed milk? The answer is letter A. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that does not have uniform composition, can be recognized and all visible. Its composition does not combine throughout. Examples are halo-halo, mais con hielo, adobong manok, and cookies. Get ready for another science try! Put a check if the word or words is an example of heterogeneous mixture, otherwise X if it is not. In 3, 2, 1. Coffee and hot water. Wonderful! Tabirak or binignit. Awesome! Cereal. Very good. Cement and gravel. Amazing. Spaghetti. High five. Therefore, we can infer that Based on this table, a mixture can be classified as homogeneous if it forms a uniform composition in a mixture. An example of this is soft drink, which is made of sugar, water, and other ingredients. The components mixed uniformly, which cannot be recognized or seen at all. Whereas, a mixture can be called heterogeneous if the mixture has a non-uniform composition and can be easily seen by our naked eye. An example of this is a burger. In a homogeneous mixture, the mixture can form only one phase, while in a heterogeneous mixture, it can form two phases and layers may separate. An example of this is the mixture of oil and water. Particle size in a homogeneous mixture is often at atomic or molecular level, while heterogeneous mixtures can be easily identified because it has large particle sizes. In a homogeneous mixture, components cannot be separated easily because of its atomic particle sizes. One of the processes on how to separate it is through using distillation process. However, components of a heterogeneous mixture can be easily separated because of its large particle sizes. One of the ways on how to separate it is through using physical means, by picking, or through using magnet.
And now, let us answer the assessment part.
Choose the letter of the best answer. Write your answer on your paper. Number 1. It is a combination of two or more substances in which pure substance retains its individual particles. Is it A. Matter, B. Mixture, C. Substance, or D. Element? The correct answer is letter B. Mixture. Number 2. Which of the following has uniform composition after mixing their components? Is it A. Spaghetti, B. Milk, C. Halo-halo, or D. Iced tea? The answer is letter D. Iced tea. Your younger sister asked you to give an example of heterogeneous mixture. Which of the following will you tell her? Letter A. Vegetable salad, letter B. Vinegar, letter C. Oil, or letter D. Soy sauce? The answer will be letter A. Vegetable salad. Which is not an example of a heterogeneous mixture? A. Sugar and water, B. Cereals, C. Corn chips, or D. Oil and water? Our answer will be letter A. Sugar and water. And number 5. Why is homogeneous mixture also known as uniform mixture? Is it letter A. Because it has different substances in a mixture, B. Because the mixture can be separated, C. Because more phases can be seen in a mixture, or letter D. Because only one phase can be seen in the mixture? The answer will be letter D. Because only one phase can be seen in the mixture.
Did you enjoy our lesson for today? I hope you learned a lot. Always remember, continue learning to become great. Once again, I am your teacher, Teacher Mofi. See you again on the next video. Goodbye and wassalam.